Hi everybody, it's Papa Kenny from Papa Kenny's Workshop with your tech tip of the day. 2003 Ford f350 with a 6-liter power stroke. We had slow crank, no start. We had sync, we had oil pressure. Turned out to be a frozen AC compressor pulley, which in turn burnt the main ground to the battery to the chassis, smoked the starter, and broke the serpentine belt. Actually, that's how I found the pulley. What I did was take it apart, very easy, one bolt and a clip, clean this all up, put it back on. We're going to put it together and we're going to send it. If you need to pull the AC compressor out of this truck, it's a bitch. Go to Papa Kenny's Workshop, see how I did it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I helped you.